Hey guys, Tony, good morning. There's one thing that not really a TA, it's more of just a I don't want to say clear sign yet. I want to say more of a sort of a confirmation. We didn't break. I actually had an alert set up on my trading view. We didn't actually break it down here at around 48.7 ish on Bitcoin. I think we hit a bottom, man. We've been constantly creating constantly creating higher lows, right? Right here, first high low, we hit trend, higher low. I think this is the next higher low before we start running to the upside. I know right now that the daily looks horrible. I wouldn't like, usually what I would call this is a perfect sell every single time, right? I would call this a perfect sell. Why? Stochastic is on top. The orange MA already crossed over the blue MA. You guys already hit the tops of 80. And usually what happens now is you have this full drop on usually not Bitcoin but any ticker, right? Any ticker that I would look at, I'd be like, I'd short this every time. I would short this every time, 100% of the time. This is a perfect sell. I'd be dumb not to short this. But the weekly is looking really, it's losing a lot of momentum on the bear side, right? And then right now the 4 hour, it didn't actually drop lower. It didn't break this support that it had at 48.7. So right now I'm kind of inclined to think that this is the bottom for Bitcoin. And we're going to keep running to the upside, especially because the weekly is losing such bear momentum. I'm telling you guys right now, if we manage this week to run to like 53K or at least pass 52 107, I think we're going to close a bullish week, and I think that's going to be the start of another bullish cycle on Bitcoin. And I'm going to be pretty blatant about that. I think this is, if there is a bottom, I think this is the bottom, right? Because if we close under 48.7, I don't think we're going to stop at trend, right? I think we're going to 40K. I'll be honest. If you drop here and you drop the trend, I think trend is gonna break, and I think you're going down to 40K. And I think the bear market is the bear. What is it called? The bear cycle. The bear market is fully on for all crypto. I'll be completely honest with you guys. Right? That's what I think. So this has to be the bottom, just like I told you guys here, right? As soon as we like bounce from this bottom, hit the trend, I'm like, this is either the bottom or we're gonna push up super hard, because the only other option is 40K. Doing the same exact thing right now. This is either the bottom or we shoot all the way down to 40K. I don't care about trend anymore. I don't think trend will recover this time. You either bounce here and you go to the freaking moon, or at least to, oops, sorry, I'm in the bathroom. You either bounce from here and you run up hard, and then the weekly kind of keeps it pushing to the upside, or you drop to 40K. I really doubt trend does anything this time. So I'll see you guys later. I'm bullish, man. I think this is the bottom. I personally think this is the bottom on Bitcoin, and I think we're gonna run up. I want to see what happens, but again, if you run up and you like, if you run up from here, right? So let me get rid of this for you guys, right? If you run up from here, if you close this 4 hour bullish trigger, right? You run up and you go to say like there. You hit 51, you hit previous resistance at 51.2, like right here, and you do not break this, I think 100% we're going down. 100%. I don't think we go past 51.2 if that doesn't break this next run up. But like I said, I think we've hit bottom. I think we're personally going back to 53K. I would ideally want it to go more. I don't know what's going to happen, but I think this is at least, I think Bitcoin found its really good support at 48.7, and I think we're going to keep running up from here. If we do not, I don't think we're going to trend. I think we're going to 40K. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.